Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get free 3 months Discord Nitro. So getting 3 months of free Discord Nitro is often part of promotional offers that Discord runs in collaboration with other companies or as a special offer for users. And here are some common methods to get free Discord Nitro for a limited time. The first method is checking for official promotions. Discord sometimes partners with companies like Epic Games, Xbox Game Pass, etc. to offer free Discord Nitro for a few months. Keep an eye on Discord official blog, social media channels, and announcements in the Discord application for any promotions. Now, the second method is Xbox Game Pass Ultimate Offer. Occasionally, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate members are offered a few months of Discord Nitro for free. To claim this, you need to have an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription and claim the offer through the Xbox Game Pass application or website. Now the third method is through Epic Game Store promotion. Epic Games has previously offered 3 months of free Discord Nitro to its users. You can check the Epic Games Store during special promotions to see if they are running a similar offer. Now the fourth method is partner and affiliate programs. Some websites or content creators might offer free Discord Nitro as part of their affiliate or partner programs. This usually involves signing up through their referral link or participating in a giveaway. Be cautious with these offers to ensure that they are legitimate. Now the fifth method is Discord events and giveaways. Discord itself sometimes runs events, contests, or giveaways where they provide Nitro as a reward. Participate in these events and keep an eye on the community servers that might have Nitro giveaways. Now coming down to the sixth method, that is free trials. If you are new to Discord Nitro, Discord may offer a free trial directly within the application. This usually lasts for 7 days to a month. To check if you are eligible, go to your Discord settings, now navigate to user settings and then to Nitro to see if there's a trial available. Now, the seventh method is through referral programs. Occasionally, Discord might run a referral program where you can earn Nitro by inviting friends to the platform. Check the Discord app for any current referral offers, or you can also go to Discord news page and check if there are any referral programs available. Now, the eighth and the last method is monitor Discord subreddits and communities. Some subreddits and Discord communities regularly share information about the ongoing promotions for Discord Nitro. Join these communities to stay informed about any new offers. Also, I have some important tips like avoid scams, check expiry dates, and see if you get free Nitros on new accounts. So these are some legit ways to get 3 months of Discord Nitro for free. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.